What's good, YouTube gang? Yeah, this is your boy Jambisco. Yeah, we're back in the music lab for another banger. Yeah, man. This one was actually requested by one of our family members. They requested Lil Mabu on the radar freestyle, so we're gonna check it out right now. Let's get it. Boom. What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. Yeah, guys, we back in the music lab. Yeah, man. This one is this. I'm gonna think this is gonna be a fun joint for us. This was requested by one of our family members. I don't remember their name, but I'm probably gonna pop their name up on the screen. So check it out. Yeah, man. They requested that we react to this one. This Lil Mabu under radar freestyle. Okay, we're gonna check it out. The last time we check out Lil Mabu, we check out Mathematical Disrespect. You feel me? That went crazy, and you guys seem to love it a lot. You know, that's got a lot of views and a lot of like. I seem to like it, so we're gonna double back on that one. You know, we're gonna double back on Lil Mabu and check out the on the radar freestyle. All right. So yeah, if you're new to the channel, guys, you know what to do. Go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button. Turn on that post notification bell so you can get my videos as soon as they're loaded. Yeah, man, guys. Lil Mabu went hard on this last track that we checked out. So you know, we expecting great things from him. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, hopefully he spaz on this freestyle as well. So we're never gonna hold up the track much longer. This Lil Mabu under radar freestyle. Let's get it.
The next stop is On the Radar Radio.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Yeah. Where my remote at? Where my remote at?
Yes, sir, baby. On the radar, radio freestyles. Yo, Lil Mabu in the building. I'ma step out. He gonna step in and kill this shit, all right? Let's go.
Let's check it out.
Gang. Hey, man.
What y'all think, bro? I got high expectations for this one, bro. Let's see what happens. You feel me? Let's take out Lil Mabu. Let's get it.
I'm not a cop. Mabu.
Yeah, I woke up this morning and put on my fit. On some typical white boy shit. Khakis and white socks, black kicks. I ain't sleeping 1400 mins. 10 coast, it's a sin. I was up.
The man said, woke up this morning, put on my fit. Typical white boy shit. I like how you doing it. You feel me? You doing Joyride, but he doing his white style. He's not pretending to be something he's not. You know what I'm saying? I like that.
When I study and trick, took my exam and said bottom my click. I wonder if Mr. Smith knows I'm lit. I wonder if Mr. T knows that I keep a stick. In my pencil case, I got a grip. Keep it on me even.
Ooh, I wonder if no Mr. Thing that know I'm late. I wonder if Mr. T know I keep a stick. Come on, no, alright.
When I piss, head on a swivel like moms with their kids. It's like keep it on me when I'm pissing. One in the head in case my op's dissing. If I have a bad day and I'm missing, got some extra ammunition. Got a cardi on my wrist. Got a rollie on my.
If I have a bad day and you dissing, got some extra ammunition.
I left. I got friends that'll switch. I'm just waiting till they step. I got a tech in a tech. So
the man say I got friends that will switch. I just gotta wait till they step. Oh my god. Alright.
Make me upset. You just losing money in the street. Dice calls, you can't better yourself. I just want the money, give her about the fame. Wasn't with me in the rain, and she cannot be my main. I don't like her attitude, she do it for her game. I'm married to the game, only hundreds on my God. They like Mabu, you can't.
Married to the game, honey hunt, bro. The man. Hey, this little dude talented, bro. No cap. And y'all can see that. You feel me? He be, you know, the man be sliding smooth, doing that little harmonizing thing, but he be going hard, like spazzy when it comes to the lyrics, yo. Like, listen to him, man.
Happy your rap. How you know what I did? Stop through the teas and I'm yelling out poop cheese. I really rap what I did. If he kept about buying a feature, I load up his balance and switch out his sim. Yes, I know I'm a kid. Yes, but tell me I'm capping, I'm popping your lid. This is Mabu's an industry plant. Oh, you
man say I know I'm a kid, but tell me I'm capping and I'm popping your lip. Be yourself, no man.
You dumb when you high. 3.14159265. Guns be ready to die. I just body the beat while reciting pie. Your life is a lie. Try to set me up on a hit with a chick.
Man say, yo, I just body the beat while reciting pie.
Cutting that line. Goodbye. I'm not a cop. About time to know who runs this shit.
Easy now.
Gang.
That boy got that white boy drill. Hey, chill out. Hey. Chill out. Y'all sleep on Lil Mabu. We better stop playing with that boy. You feel me? That boy got like white boy drill rap. The man says he's the king of New York and the other one too. Hey, this man clearly talented. You feel me? Lil Mabu, you doing your thing, dog. Still in school and all, and still making noise out here, bro. Hey, man. All props to go to you. We gotta give credit where credit is due. You feel me? So yeah, man, keep doing it. That's Lil Mabu on the radar freestyle. Guys, let me know what y'all think about that one. You know, I mess with it. You feel me? I mess with it, kid. I'm curious to see where his career going, his journey. You feel me? Yeah, man. Let me know what y'all think about that one. Drop the comments in the comment section. Show the artist some love and support. Let me know that Jambisco sent you. And let me know what y'all want me to react to next, and I'll definitely get it done. You know what I'm saying? Let me know if you want more content from like this, from more Mabu reactions. Let me know. You know, I'll get it done, guys. You already know what time it is. Watch Jambisco till next time. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I'm out.